Yeah, marhaba ya shabab. Welcome to our brand new video. So, in the previous video, we just make sure that part one of day one works. And as I have promised, we will now do part two of day one. So open again secret_entrance.go. And now we will add the second function to do part two. I mean, I'm not sure if you just close that. If you read the instructions, just pause for a minute and read the instructions, and yeah, then resume back. So I hope you have read the instructions. Basically, what part two is now asking us is also to count every time zero is passed. Um, when zero is passed, dice rotated are 60.55. It points at zero once. I mean, it's already, that 99 is already crossed. Also, when one is crossed below, if you go below one, zero is also crossed, and you have to count it also. So this time we not only count when yeah, when the dial points at zero, also when it passes the zero. So let's get started. I hope this was clear. Let's do this function. Let's copy this function and just count die point 0 points and pass 0 and pass 0. Okay. Yes. As a parameter, we also take again a rotator array. So basically, the beginning will be more less likely the same. Copy this. I mean, the dial starts again at 50, and we will count again, but the counting is a bit. We will count more now. Let's put it that way. Actually, yeah, we also have to check again for copy this as well. Okay, when the dial shows goes up with R. So now we will have a bit of change of logic. You will see now. Now we can actually use directly the counter. Okay. Now we first do an addition, dial position, rotate the steps, divided by all hundreds position. I mean, as you may remember, all hundreds is the 100th position. And now we say dial position equals modulo all hundreds position. Yes. Yes. Okay, this looks good. Else. If, of course, if it shows an L, then we have to adapt the logic. If we start at zero, we only hit zero again after the full 100 steps are crossed. And so we have to say start position. It's a new local variable. Gosh, why is it a colon? Okay, now colon. Dial position. Okay. So if now the dial position equals 0 position, we also have to count. Or not count, we have to say start position is equals all 100 position. And now, no, we have to check again. Check if we move far enough to reach or pass the 0 mark. Because now we are at, at L when the direction is L down. If we start at 0, start position is 100, meaning we only hit 0 again if we complete a full rotation, so full 99 again. So let's do this. If rotator, oh gosh, steps. So if this rotator steps are bigger or equal start position, we count 1 for the first time we hit or pass 0. Because, yeah, rotator step start position is at what kind of value at the dial position right now. Then we add 1 for every full 100 step rotation thereafter. So counter move 1 step plus rotator steps minus start position divided by all hundreds position. Now, as you can see, it gets more actually more mathematically. Yeah, that's the thing. You have to with this challenge sometimes the mathematical. Always, most of these kind of challenges are the mathematical solution is the best. But yeah, nonetheless, we have to also update the dial position. We use steps modulo 100 to find the relative movement subtracted from the current position, and then we add 100 before taking the modulo again to ensure the result is always a positive index between 0 and 99. Let me show it to you. So dial position, here we also we want to make sure with the parentheses this kind of stuff gets rotator steps modulo all 100 plus all hundreds. But this goes. This was actually fine. Where do I have the modulo here? And here we just add all hundreds to have again the full circle. Just okay. And now at the end we just return the counter. Yes, this would be it, I would say, for this part 2 solution. It's more mathematical. You have to count. I mean, not only you have to count when you pass the 0, you also stay at 0. And yes, this would be one of the, I would say, most effective approaches. Yeah, in the next video we will unit test it and to make sure we are on the right track. See you in the next video. إلى اللقاء.